Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how we package some baked goods, mainly cookies, as gifts. Come on with me, guys. Now, there's many different ways to package baked goods or cookies and to give them away as gifts. But one of the main things that people used to be concerned about is whether or not they were getting their container back. Now, the Dollar Tree sells so many inexpensive containers, all different sizes, even up to bags, gift bags, that you can go ahead and package these cookies and give them away and not worry about anything. So I purchased all of these containers from the Dollar Tree that I'm about to use. Now this one here comes two in a pack for I think $1.50 or $1.25. You go ahead and you line the inside of the bucket with your cookies. Sometimes you might even want to put the recipe. Then go ahead and hang a tag to who you're giving that to, and we are done. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Baking Spirits Brights, and it's a cookie jar gift idea collaboration, and hosting is Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Designs, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. Now, isn't this container absolutely adorable? So we have the candy canes there, and then we have a gift tag shaped like the gingerbread. I am loving it. Let's move on to the next example. All right, now I'm absolutely loving this container here because not only does it have that airtight lid, but they're also stackable. So if you wanted to sort your cookies by the kind, flavor, you can go ahead and do so. Or like we're using it here to give it away as a gift. So I'm gonna go and get some cookies, and here we are momentarily. There you go. And now we're going to start lining them up inside of the container and tag them. Again, you can go ahead and put your recipe if they're baked goods, and we are done. So this is example number 2. Now, isn't this absolutely adorable, guys? These are the almond cookies that I put in here, a beautiful tag, and we are done with this one. Let's move on over to the next one. All right, so now this glass container I'm absolutely loving. I love the ridges on it, and I love that it's airtight. We're going to finish using up the almond cookies, so I'm going to go ahead and line them up tall, standing up. And then you fit as many as you can in there. And again, this makes a cute little gift just to give to someone. And we're going to go ahead and put a tag on it like we did the others. And we will be done with this. It's so cute. Now here is another option, guys. They have these treat bags, and I'm loving that they have the bends on the top. So you can go ahead, open them up. You can go ahead and line the cookies as many and as far up as you want. Go ahead and attach the tag and then twist the top and then bend the tie. So this is so adorable, guys, and we're gonna head on over to the reveal so that you can see what all of these look like. Big or small, doesn't matter. Whatever the size baked goods you have, this is perfect, and all on a budget. So isn't this adorable, guys? I am loving this. The bags are like so sturdy. This was a perfect buy, guys. So once again, we're going to head on over to the reveal, and I hope this gave you some inspiration. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.